Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Today, we're not going over Doggle on Mars. I just filmed a video for all of you beautiful Doggle on Mars lovers, and it will be uploading in 23 minutes. So, while I'm doing this video, that video will be uploading. What we are looking at today is the CRO token and another crypto I've never heard about that is called Gods. So, let's get straight into it. Check out the Patreon if you want to get in. We got a few spots left. Got around 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. So check them out. Daily in-depth price action. Let's get it. Alright. Now Bitcoin is hovering around these $42,900 levels. We are looking for that breakout to the $43,000 levels. Let's get straight into CRO. Now, I've heard a lot about this coin, and I've heard many good things. I know the Staples Center is now named Crypto.com Arena, which is a beautiful thing. And that's what made this spike, is that Staples Center. And if you think about it, think about this as a stock, right? The more people that download Crypto.com, get Crypto.com coins, and the price will drive higher, okay? So that's what is driving the price right now. And this was a state of mass euphoria whenever the Staples Center was named Crypto.com Arena. So it will take a whole lot to break this all-time high. If you think about it, it will take many more users, and a lot more hype. So that's what we need to look for, is those two things. Mostly the users. If Crypto.com continues to expand, continues to market and gain new users that hold this coin and buy this coin whenever they get the app, then it will be a good investment long term. So, this is what we're looking at. And right now we are in the slumps. We are in a dip, which is a beautiful buying opportunity. Do not get me wrong. Buy when there's blood in the streets, and there is blood in the streets right now. Major blood in the streets. Crypto fear and greed index is back down to major buying opportunity levels in the extreme fear territory. So we are testing the 618 level. It looks as though we have been holding it a wee bit. However, this is not confirmation that the 618 level is held. Confirmation would be a break past this 48 level and a hold above this 50 level. So I'll draw this range for you beautiful people. This is the range. We want to break above this 48 level, consolidate into here, and break above this 50 level and consolidate on top. That will confirm that this 43 level is strong support. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what we're looking for on the daily candles. Let's go to the monthly candles. In fact, let's go to the weekly candles. We are staggering around a good bit. Now, this looks as though we could just come back up all the way up to these 58 levels, break through that, and then test these tops, okay? If the market decides to reverse, that is probably what we will see in CRO. So right now would be a nice averaging in opportunity for all of you beautiful people wanting to trade this coin. Currently, I am not trading this coin, and I do not plan on trading this coin. Now, I do think it will be a great long-term hold because they are playing the long game through their marketing, through their whole team and everything. This will be a great 5+ year hold. But I am focusing on Doggle on Mars and Doggle on Mars only, along with a few other potential 100x altcoins. But this would be a great coin to average in and hold for years to come. If you're looking for a quick buck, first of all, you shouldn't be looking for a quick buck because you're going to lose money. The reason why I lose money is because whenever you look for a quick buck, you just want to throw your money into something blindly. But you should definitely do your research and see if that is an investment you understand and if that time is the best to get in. And right now, that's what you can do with technical analysis, to see what time is the best to get in. This is a great coin to hold, and right now would be a great time to get in, start averaging in. So, beautiful. That's the CRO analysis. Let's get straight into Gods. I've never heard of this coin. Gods Unchained. It sounds like a game. So first of all, I've never heard of this coin, so we're going to read it. God is a free-to-play tactical card game that gives players true ownership of their in-game lives, led by the former competitive play. So it's pretty much a game. Alright, cool. Now, I haven't done any research, so this is strictly technical analysis. And this is looking like it is breaking a floor, which means it could drop a whole lot. A whole lot. Now, it got on the market 29th of October, so it's been on the market a few months. However, it is testing this previous floor. And, I mean, if you think about it, everything is down right now because Bitcoin is down. Everything is at a great buying opportunity. The market cap is 67 million. So it has a lot of growth potential. Now, let's get straight into analyzing a cryptocurrency because I'm actually quite curious. So, what can you do to analyze this cryptocurrency? First of all, we need to look at the socials. We want to see the socials. Community. We want to go to the Twitter, see how many followers they got, what their engagement is. 83,000 followers. Engagement. All right. Now let's look at the comments, right? 54 minutes ago. Let's look at the comments. Nice, nice, nice. It's in the works. I wouldn't bother. You won't get your cards right. I've been waiting 8 days for a card I bought for 66. Support no answers. Sorted out devs. Interface. See, this is not what you want to see. First of all, now this was on October 25th, so a good bit ago. However, this was on January 5th. And, many questions. So, right now, just based on these comments, few comments that I've read, it is not incentivizing me to want to invest in this coin. Because people who have invested, people who have put their money where their mouth is, they're not getting the results that they found. So, yeah, I would definitely not put my money into this coin. It doesn't matter how low it is. It can always go lower. So, I would definitely wait and let the devs sort out what's going on, because it seemed like they had some problems there. However, I haven't done much research. Simply based on technical analysis, this would not be a good time to get in. It is breaking a floor, which means it can drop with no previous support. So, it is not a good time to average into this coin. It can just continue to drop. It can continue to drop and continue to drop with nothing to the left stopping it. Now, is this an ETH token? It is. Let's go to Dex Tools and see more to the left, because this gives you a bunch of price action even before it was on CoinMarketCap or TradingView. That's a good thing it's on TradingView. See, even this, it doesn't show anything to the left. I would definitely not put your money into this coin right now. Definitely wait. This is just too early. It's just way too early. Now, if you're trying to get in early on a coin, most likely you're going to lose most of the money you put in. Just simply because a lot of these coins are scams. Even if you really believe this coin is not a scam, you are getting emotionally invested into something you just simply don't know. You don't know behind the scenes. You don't know who's actually running this coin. You don't know who's holding the majority stake in this coin and whether they're just going to sell it when it spikes up 300%. So you definitely want to wait until these type of coins are more established So you don't risk that money, all right? You can't become a billionaire by going all in on a coin expecting 100x, okay? That's not how it works, and it will never work like that. That's why the poor stay poor and the rich stay rich, because the rich, they know that investing into this coin will not be the smartest thing. Investing into any asset that is just starting out will not be the smartest thing. You want to let it get established a wee bit. Unless you are behind the team, unless you're investing into an asset that is just starting out, that you have no control over. That is, if that's not gambling, then I don't know what is, okay? So that is my analysis on this coin. And that's my analysis on CRO. CRO is a great long-term hold. They are very established, have a great team, and the price is very low right now. Great 5-year plus hold. This is a shit coin, it looks as though. Now, things could change in the future. However, right now it is not looking too hot. Crypto Billionaire 69 in-depth analysis. Let me know in the comments section if you guys want more analysis on different coins, because I would love to do it. Just email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. The ticker symbol, and I will go over them. And yeah, my beautiful friends, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.